Alright, today we're going to do a quick little video on making ribs. This is the best little rib recipe that I've come across. Actually learned it from a brother, and we used to wrap the ribs in tin foil and bake them. But then my lazy self, I thought there's got to be a little easier way, and so we did the same process, but put them in a roaster pan like this, and less tin foil, less wrapping, less mess, and it works really easy. So the whole process basically is we're gonna rinse off these ribs and cut them into 2 bone slices, because the way we do this, it's gonna be too soft to even throw on the barbecue, because it's fall off your bone ribs. These are incredible. So we're gonna cut them into 2 bone slices and stack them big bone side down in the roaster pan, and we will bake them at 225 for 6 hours. We're gonna just salt and pepper the ribs and bake them, and then we take the grease. It's gonna take all the grease off and bake the ribs. They'll be nice and soft, and then all we do is we throw them on the Traeger or the barbecue for a quick 10 minutes at a high heat and crisp them up, and then we add our favorite Sweet Baby Rays on them and just kind of glaze the ribs with that, and then they're done. So we'll get to it right away. First is salt and pepper each rack, and then we'll slice them into 2 bone sections. There we go, 4 racks of ribs fit nicely into one large roaster pan. Now we're gonna put this in the oven again at 225 for 6 hours. So the fat will all come off the meat, and they'll be tender as anything. They'll fallen off the bone already. And we'll show you how we throw them on the Traeger here, and we'll smoke them a little bit and crisp them up. All right, here they are. 6 hours in the oven. We're going to take those out and throw them on the barbecue. What I'm going to do here is I'm taking the membrane off the back of the ribs. It'll make it a lot nicer because it'll get really crispy on the barbecue, and if you take that part off, then the smoky Traeger will be able to get it nice and tasty. Okay, we got the ribs, all the membrane peeled off the back of the ribs. Now I like to do it after they're cooked because it's a lot easier, unless you got muscles and can do it before they're cooked. That's okay too, but it's easy once they're hot. You can just peel the membrane off the back. So now we're gonna I like to put them on the Traeger before I start it up, because then I get a little extra smokiness when it starts to go, because we don't cook them on here for very long. We're gonna smoke it for a little bit and then crank the heat up. It's easier to put them on here also without the heat, because there's a lot of ribs. I put them bone side down, cook like that, and then I'll flip them once and then sauce them. Just set it at the lowest setting to get it smoky. That, come back in a few minutes. We're gonna come out here and check them. So we got it cranked up here. I'm gonna flip them once, sauce them, and then they'll be good. All right, they're all sauced now. We're gonna just let those crisp up for a few more minutes and pull them off and enjoy. All right, so when we first put them on, we had the temperature just out low. It was like 165, and that got the smoke going on there. Got a little extra smoky flavor, and we turned it up to about 400 and crisped them on both sides and sauced them. So now they should be done. We're gonna take them off, and they look delicious. Come on over and try some. How's that look?
Beauty, eh?
Alright, make sure you like and subscribe for more fun videos. Mostly car stuff, but we've got some good food ideas. We'll throw those on here too. Alright, have a good day.